Welcome, in front of me is a WIKO View 3, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, you will want to pull down the notification panel and look for the hotspot toggle, which for me looks to be, I think, disabled by default, so I'm gonna look for it by tapping on a pencil right here. And yep, it is in the disabled category, as you can see right here. So what you can do is grab it and then drag it over to the top, drop it, and go back, and you should now have the toggle somewhere on one of the pages. So from here, you can hold the toggle, and this will quickly take you to the settings, where you can tap on Wi-Fi Hotspot, and then start off by selecting the password and completely changing it, because as you can see, this password is not very good, at least not in terms of remembering it. So I'm gonna remove it, and the new password that you're gonna set up does need to have 8 characters in length, otherwise you won't be able to confirm it. And once it does, you can tap on OK. And from here we also have the hotspot name, so you can change it if you want to. By default, it is going to have the name of the device, so in this case it's View 3, but you can change it to anything else if you wanted to. Now we also have option to turn off hotspot automatically if it's not being used. I highly recommend keeping this on. It will help you a lot, because once you stop using hotspot, usually don't think about turning it off. So this will do it for you. There's also preserving a little bit of battery because of it. Hotspot does consume more battery on the device, so having it turn off automatically is a fairly good thing. And last, we have maximum amount of connections or users that can connect to you. It's set to 6 by default. You can set it up to 10, but to be honest, even 6 seems a little bit too much. So I'm gonna select something more reasonable, like a 1 person. And from here, I can simply go back, and all the settings will stay as they were right now set up. So all I need to do now is tap on the hotspot toggle right here to turn it on. And it also gives you a notifications right here that it is active right now. It also tells you how many people are connected and how many people are blocked from connecting. And that's it. And once you're done with it, you can also turn it off yourself by tapping on a hotspot once more to turn it off like that. So that being said, this is how you would set it up and use it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.